Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skywet. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yeah, good day. I go by the name Skywet. I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on ClickBank. Yes, I'm just training people on how to make money online. Remember, one of the best thing you can do, or the best feeling you can have, is making money from home. And there are different ways by which you can make money from home, and one of them is affiliate marketing. Yes, so I'm going to show you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly on affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that I've trained, and it's making thousands of dollars. You can see in the earning space here. Yes, he has been doing fine, as you can see. So I'm going to be revealing to you the secret behind this great result. Yes, first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I mean, for instance, if you sell a shoe for a company, maybe for $50, the company can give you $15 as your own commission for selling the product for them. So the more product to sell, the more commission you get. And there are secrets behind these excellent results which you can see on the screen. Apart from people buying the products, there are products that if you select and promote to some particular area, you are going to have great sales. One. Another is that you are going to have customers that are going to come back and purchase the product, because there are many things behind affiliate marketing that most people don't know. Apart from just sharing link and promoting the product, there are techniques which, if you know, it will make you a successful affiliate marketer. So also, there are two means by which you can get traffic and people to access your affiliate platforms. We have two major methods and two major ways by which people can access and you can promote your affiliate product. One, we have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method by which you create adverts on digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You know, for instance, sometimes when you are browsing and you are scrolling down your Facebook, you will see pop-up of adverts that say click this to check this out, buy this. So that is a paid traffic system, where you have to pay the platform for them to create adverts for you to go through some targeted traffic online. Also, we have the free traffic system, which involves the use of software, and that's why I come in, because as an affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer, and I've developed several softwares over the years because of my issue with affiliate marketing. I've also battled with many problems in affiliate marketing, and from trying to get sales and different problems. So my software I help in generating more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, and with this software you are going to have excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, it generates more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and promote your affiliate product to this organic traffic for you to get commission. So to get my software and video course and start any beautiful like the results you can see on the screen, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet071@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet071@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet, and I train people on how to make money online. So contact me now for you to start any big live student that you've been seeing their video and the one you can see on the screen. Remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet071@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. And when you get my software, I have a video course that comes with it that will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the likes. and get the same result like the one you can see here, because they use similar method in promotion in affiliate marketing. So contact me on my Gmail now at skyway27@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get started and start earning money from home at the comfort of your home.